How to start an online home-based business with no startup costs. Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Boss Man Jarvis Cloud Sr, aka the Side Hustle Guru of Day1Marketing Inc. And today I would like to share with you an opportunity that I'm very fond of. A home-based business opportunity with benefits. And yes, you can get started for free. A health and wellness company coupled with digital products, and awesome and amazing opportunity you can make money with and also do it from home. To anyone who partner with me, I'm giving a one-on-one coaching, training, program, mentorship for anyone, free marketing suite, tools, traffic training, software, and more. And you will also get access to my private Facebook group, Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. And in my group, you will get access to uncountable free marketing resources to help you master becoming an online home business marketer. Enough about the awesome gifts and marketing software, lead generation tools, and training you will get when you join my team as a free consultant to share our health and wellness product line, but also to gain access to our business building platform and team matrix. You can position yourself for an amazing one-time fee of $35 to earn 100% commissions as well on your pay line. Never have there been any opportunity so amazing, a home-based opportunity with benefits such as tax write-offs, no commute, and more. And also for an amazing, be a part of amazing movement, online home-based business marketing, where you will learn the skills and strategies to become a successful home business marketer. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc., where you will stay up to date with additional free training, free tools and software, and more. All geared to help you build your home-based business and start earning an income from home. I also have a short video of our company. Take a moment to watch it, and I will be back with you briefly.
Whatever you do, do not pass up this opportunity. For only $35, join the club and welcome to Club Bismarck.
What if I told you that for a one-time purchase of less than $100, not only could you get access to a digital products library with resale rights that could improve your credit, finances, well-being, mindset, and more, but that you could also learn how to turn that same one-time purchase into potentially tens of thousands of dollars in monthly residual income right from the comfort of your home. You see, our company is a little-known online wellness company that's been in business since February of 2015. And in addition to offering an extended digital product library, we also offer a unique and exclusive line of wellness products. For example, we have an incredibly delicious, nutritious, all-natural, non-GMO, and gluten-free berry-flavored superfood drink that contains a high amount of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, and bioflavonoids to not only give you energy that lasts for hours, but also boost your immune system and protect your heart. Coral calcium sachets to mineralize, alkalize, and hydrate your drinking water. Natural herbal cleansing teas to help flush out toxins and burn unwanted fat. 2 great tasting weight loss instant coffees in original and mocha flavor. Protective reusable face masks. And more. And all wellness products are manufactured in USA, but you want to know how to turn your one-time less than $100 purchase into potentially tens of thousands of dollars in monthly residual income, right? Okay, here's how. You see, your one-time purchase includes a paid position in a 2x2 forced recycling follow-me matrix and hybrid binary plan we call a smart matrix. Each matrix can hold 6 paid positions, 2 on the first level and 4 on the second level. The second level is your pay line, where you will be paid 100% commissions of either 25, 50, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, 2,500, or even $5,000 per sale on 3 of 4 sales, no matter who referred the sale, with the 4th sale being used to complete your matrix, causing it to cycle and create a new paid position in your sponsor's matrix. And commissions are paid weekly, every Friday. There are 8 Smart Matrix packs available, ranging in price from $35 to $5,600 one time, which includes binary points of 5 to 300 points each. Completing all 8 Smart Matrix packs would earn you a combined $28,275 in commissions, not including binary commissions, which pay out 15 to 30% on the lesser volume team, and caps at up to $10,000 per day. You could also earn binary team matching bonuses, which pay out up to 45% on up to 5 generations of team commissions. Additionally, our wellness products and business starter packs pay out retail profits, fast start bonuses, and fast start coded bonuses. Our company also frequently offers contests and promotions where you can win or qualify for additional cash and prizes worth up to $5,000 or more. So if you like what you've heard so far, please get back to the team member for more details.
Whatever you do, do not pass up this opportunity. For only $35, join the club and welcome to Club Bismarck.
All right. So now that you have seen the amazing opportunity, business opportunity, here is how you can get started. Depending on how you receive the enrollment link, if you are watching on YouTube, click the link below in the description and go to the enroll here, enter your details, and check your email for the instructions. When you get to the Club Bismarck homepage, go over here to the join. When you get to the join, you can enroll as a free consultant. If I have personally spoke with you, then you enter your details on the form and simply go and check your email for the instructions to the get started and get accesses to your bonuses as well. To any of you that is ready to build and grow with our team, mentor, and business package provided as a bonus for joining the team as well, you can simply go up here to the register and select the matrix package here. Matrix package, United States, if you're United States, or international, if you're international. All right, when you go to the matrix package, you have 25, 50, and 100. Select the one that will best fit you. Recommended that you start at any of those 3, taking in consideration that you begin to grow your team and organization. You get paid 100% on the pay line that you are on, that they enroll with as well. You scale up the matrix with your profits. You never have to come out of pocket again. Get back with the person that shared with you the presentation. Everything I offer in the video, you have access to as well. 100% free bonuses. Pick your package, join the team, and welcome. P.S. You will be sent a full overview by email of the company and the compensation plan so you can maximize your profit potential. Thank you again. This is Jarvis Cloud Sr., aka Boss Man, the Side Hustle Guru of Day1Marketing Inc. Welcome to the team, and I will see you guys on the inside.